Hello my dear children, good morning all of you. Today for class 11, differentiation part 2. In part 1 you have learned the basic operation and some formulas. And here first principle. This is also known as delta method, AB initio method, and differentiation. The symbol of differentiation that is known to you, dy by dx or f dash x. First principle, that is limit h tends to 0, f x plus h minus fx by h. H equal to what? That is small increment of x is h. H equal to final value of x minus its initial value, that is fx plus h minus fx. This is the first principle. On first principle, one sum you may expect in 11, so you must pay your attention. Now see the sum given on first principle. Find the derivative using the first principle, that the first sum x cube plus 3x. So solution, let fx equal to this and fx plus h, x plus h, that is in place of x, that is x plus h, and in place of x, that is x plus h. Now f dash x, that is this f dash x, this the formula you have to write. Just I have written the formula. You have to write the formula before putting the value. Now in x plus h, that is we are getting this value, just we have to put. Next fx, that is x cube plus 3x minus x cube plus 3x by h. Now we have to simplify, that is by applying the formula a plus b whole cube, that is known to you very well, a cube plus b cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. By applying the formula we are getting this, then simplify into 3x plus 3h minus x cube minus 3x by h, and 3x plus 3x will be cancelled, x cube plus x cube will be cancelled, then h taking common, this expression is coming divided by h. Now h and h will be cancelled, therefore limit h tends to 3x square plus 3xh plus h square plus 3. Now we have to put the value that you know very well. When we will put the value of limit, then we will not write the limit. This is why 3x, that is 3x h, in place of h we have to write 0, in place of h square, that is 0 square plus 3, then 3x square plus 3. After simplification it is coming 3 into x square plus 1. This is the answer. Sum is completed. I think no problem. Next, part 3. Instead of part 2 I am showing part 3. Let fx, same thing, fx equal to root sin x, and fx plus h, that is in place of x only we have to write x plus h. Then we have to write the formula this. Then we have to put the value of fxh, that is root over sin into x plus h minus root over sin x by h. Then we have to eliminate the root, that is rationalization. That's you know very well. Opposite side of this we have to multiply numerator and denominator. That's thing I have done here. And after simplification, numerator in the frame of formula, that is a minus b into a plus b, that you have learned at class 9, a square minus b square. So root over sin into x plus h whole square, root and square will be cancelled, then it will be sin x plus h, root over sin x whole square, that is root and square will be eliminated, then sin x, and divided by this. Then this is we are getting in the frame of formula that in trigonometry you have learned, that is sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d. Just I have written the formula and divided by this. Then we have to simplify. See the step. If you pay attention, I think no problem. Easily you will understand. This differentiation, I think you will feel very comfort. Now, by simplification equal to limit h tends to 0, then 2 cos x plus x, that is 2x, 2x plus h by 2, and sine x and x will be cancelled, so h by 2, divide by this h into root over sine x plus h plus root over sine x. This clear? And now equal to limit h tends to 0. This is next step. Now we have to convert into frame of formula. How it will be converted? You please follow attentively. Limit h tends to 0, that is sine h by 2. If I take here h by 2, then we will get a frame of formula. And by basic operation, we are separating the limit, that is limit h tends to 0. Then we have taken 2. For adjustments, this 2 will be cancelled, and this is why it will be cos 2x plus h by 2 divided by h is coming here, so here will be root over sine x plus h plus root over sine x. Very simple, no problem. Now we have to apply the formula, and value of limit we have to put. This is the frame of formula, that is you know very well. It will be 1 and into, that is cos 2x plus 0 by 2 divided by root sine x plus 0 plus root sine x. 2 and 2 will be cancelled, so it will be cos x divided by root x plus root x, that is 2 root sine x. This is the answer. I think very simple sum, no problem. So easily it is clear to you. Next, more one sum is given. If you get interest, then I may solve this sum also. Are you getting interest? Okay, thank you. So see the solution. That is the same way we have to proceed. That is let f(x) equal to cube root x equal to x to the power 1 by 3. Therefore, f(x) plus h equal to x plus h to the power 1 by 3. The process already you have seen, so just paying attention easily, it will be clear to you. Therefore, f dash x equal to, just we have to write the formula limit h tends to 0, f x plus h minus f x divided by h equal to, now we have to put the value, that is limit h tends to 0 and fx, that is this x plus h whole to the power 1 by 3 fx, that is minus x 1 to the power 1 by 3 by h. Up to this very simple, just we are putting the value. Now we have to think, we have to convert into frame of formula. This is why let x plus h equal to y. Therefore, y tends to x as h tends to 0 and h equal to y minus x. Therefore, see, therefore limit h tends to 0. So in place of this, what we may write, y to the power 1 by 3, and this is minus x to the power 1 by 3 by, in place of h we may write y minus x. Now we are getting in the frame of formula, that is, if you notice, easily you will understand. See, 1 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. What's the formula? See, since limit x tends to a, x to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a equal to n a to the power n minus 1. See here, by applying the formula we are getting this. So by simplifying, it is coming 1 by x to the power 2 by 3. This is the answer. I think you are getting interest and feeling comfort. Still, if you feel any difficulties, if you go through the video, then easily you will understand. Differentiation very simple, no problem. So if you face, then go through the video. Okay, thank you everybody.